How do you implement a successful mentoring program in your shop? We're going to find out next. Two top challenges for body shops today are the lack of skilled technicians and the need for a mentoring program. Implementing a successful mentoring program in a shop requires putting the right people in place to manage the program and also finding the right candidates to mentor. What should shops look for when seeking new candidates to join the program? They should focus on many of the same characteristics they look for when hiring new employees, including trustworthiness and honesty, enthusiasm, willingness to work hard, and self-motivation, ability to be receptive to constructive criticism, evaluations, and advice, effective communication skills, both verbal and nonverbal, curiosity and eagerness to learn, and willingness to ask questions, mindfulness about personal hygiene and appearance, flexibility and willingness to step out of their comfort zones as part of the learning process, cooperative and collaborative, respectful of the rights and safety of others, proud of their accomplishments and desire to grow in their careers. The mentee is responsible for many aspects of the program and must do their part to make the relationship a successful one. For example, workplace safety. You do not want your mentee to start out the mentorship with an injury. As a shop owner, it's up to you to provide the training. Make sure the mentee has completed their safety training before they enter the shop floor. Task lists. The mentor will provide the mentee with task lists to determine which skills the mentee is proficient with and which skills need more fine-tuning. The mentor can then customize the training to incorporate new skills and get the mentees serving customers sooner. Tool rules, safety, and etiquette. Mentees need to have the appropriate tools to progress in their learning and complete assigned tasks. But the mentee also needs to know how to use these tools safely and respectfully. Communication and keeping emotions in check. Learning to communicate effectively with those you work with is key to successful workplace relationships, and mentees can learn this on their very first assignment. Communication can make or break a mentee's success in the program and on the job. In addition to learning the technical skills necessary to succeed in the shop environment, the mentee is also learning soft skills that they may not have learned previously, but are extremely important for career growth. Some of these skills include workplace professionalism, customer service, effective communication, workplace organization and maintenance, independent problem solving and critical thinking, time management. Mentoring programs are a proven approach to recruit, train, and retain employees. According to Millennium Group International, a management consulting firm that helps organizations become more effective and efficient, 95% of mentees say that participating in a mentoring program motivates them to up their game and do their best. Isn't that the type of employee you want in your shop? I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.